Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your music store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a one-page website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, my music store, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our music store. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's put our phone number in over here, as well as our email address, and click on continue. Where is our music store located? Let's pop our street address in here, as well as our postal code, as we've previously put in our city and our state. Let's click on continue and get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on a Sunday. Nope, we've closed on Sundays for rest and relaxation. And let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order. But everything looks pretty good to me. Let's move along. If you need to make any changes, all you need to do is click on updates. Now look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for my music store in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see. And the great thing about it is they're completely free to use. No licenses needed. Don't need to download them. Nothing like that. However, if you've got your own images of your music store and you need to make one or two changes to the pre-written content, you can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you definitely don't need to hire a web developer with a huge budget needed. So I'm going to walk you through today each section from the top to the bottom, so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. Let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section and start my way from here. The first thing I want to do is click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed at the top next to my phone number. So my customers can easily get in touch with me. This is click to call, by the way. Our address, we've already put the details in, and it's displayed in the top left-hand corner. When your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions and see your location in the map view. Let's save that and move along to social links. Now over here, go ahead and put in your various social media platforms that your business is active on, and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner. Let's save that and let's move along. I'm now going to head to update logo. If you don't have your own logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are some free great options on there. If you're in the startup process of your business and you don't have a logo yet, it will literally just display your name and it still looks really great. But I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and I'm going to upload it. Great, let's make sure that's saved. Awesome. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that size is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to leave it as is and I'm going to move along to the next section. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website don't go with your branding, they don't go with your logo. Maybe the signage used throughout your music store is a completely different color. So to update it and make the changes, you don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color options available that could be suitable to match your branding. I'm going to scroll through to the bottom and I'm just going to see which one I like best for my business. Let's check that one out. I think that really stands out, so I'm actually going to go ahead and save that color palette. And as you can now see, it's used throughout my Mighty Sites website. Awesome. If you need to make amendments to that image that's pre-selected for you, all you need to do is click on Update Image, browse your device, and upload one of your own. But I'm going to search the photo library. Mighty Sites will automatically search for a music store. You can choose one of those. There are hundreds to choose from, and as I said, they are all completely free to use. Feel free to play around with the terms a little bit, search for specific instruments if need be. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead and select this image. I think it's pretty suitable because I do stock drums at my music store. It's actually one of my favorite musical instruments. And look at that. That looks really great and professional. Very happy with it. Head over to update content. Make the changes to the title and subtitle if need be. Button, let's change. Perhaps you don't want it to say get in touch. Maybe you want it to say get directions. So we can choose our link. We can link that button to various places. We can link it to another website or an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. For this one, I'm going to select directions, but another one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file with your current specials or promotions or catalog. You can upload that over there. Let's move on. We're making such great progress. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. If you want to make some changes, all you need to do is click on that handy update section button and work your magic. Over here, we've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, put a little bit more details of your music store, how you came to be in the industry. Are you a musician yourself? Put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I think this is absolutely stunning, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. We've now made our way into the next section of our Mighty Sites page. We've got another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and upload one of your own or choose one from that photo library like I've just shown you. We've now made our way into the services section. So over here, you can put in all the different services your music store offers. Maybe you also offer repairs to musical equipment. Do you offer rental options? Maybe you even do music lessons in your store. Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can come to you for. If you need to make any more changes to those hours or that address, go ahead and update section over here and go and make those changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our music store in literally less than 10 minutes. It's been such a breeze. It's looking really professional. I'm very happy with it. I've made some changes to the images, to the content, and it was super simple. I didn't need to know any coding whatsoever. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed whatsoever, like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a one-page website for your Mighty Sites music store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, please do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.